Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable and disable histogram on SONY ZV-E10 Mark II. So to do that, switch on the camera, and then to enable or disable the histogram you simply have to press display button several times. So the display button is the top D-pad key, and each time you click on it you will disable or enable additional elements on your device's display. So if you click it several times, at some point you will see the histogram in the bottom left corner, in bottom right corner of your screen. And that's how you enable it. To disable it, just press display one more time or several more times. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.